Ito yung question natin. So, what excites you the most about being a Herbalife brand ambassador?
When we went on the stage, this is what excites me. Being a part of Herbalife family, seeing you up close. There's something you know that triggers a human when they're part of something bigger than themselves. So I'm very happy and excited to be a part of your family.
Herbalife family, naniniwala ba po kayo sa deeper why? Diba? Dapat meron tayong deeper why. Tama ba po yun? Kami ni Juancho, yun din. Meron kaming deeper why. Ang deeper why namin, kayo po, kasama namin kayo sa journey na to. Yung mga tao, we're able to show them a great line of products that's science-based, science-backed, that will help them in their own journeys of being healthier together. And more importantly, to see our families grow. Kasama na rin ng iba pa mga Pilipino, iba pa all over the world na part din ng Herbalife family.